History class can be so boring, right? All those dates and battles. But what if I told you the real history is full of scandals, drama, and downright bizarre stories they definitely didn't teach you in school? Let's dive into some of the wildest true stories from the past. First up, let's talk about Napoleon's circle. His wife, Josephine, had a very, very friendly acquaintance. This woman was so close with so many powerful politicians and ministers that she earned the nickname government property. Can you imagine the gossip back then? It makes modern political scandals look tame. Now, how about Niccolo Machiavelli, the guy who wrote The Prince? You probably know him as a serious political philosopher, but in a personal letter to a friend, he described a rather unfortunate encounter. He spent the night with a woman, but when the lights came on in the morning, he was so shocked by her appearance that he got sick right then and there. Not exactly the smooth, calculating figure we imagine. Then there's Julie Daubeny, a 17th century French opera singer who was a true legend. She was openly bisexual and lived life on her own terms. At one point, she fell for a nun. Her solution, she joined the convent, took holy vows just to be with her. After they escaped together, she went on to other adventures. Julie was also an expert sword fighter. She would often seduce women at fancy parties, which would infuriate their husbands. They'd challenge her to a duel, not knowing she was a master. She won so many duels against men that the king had to pardon her multiple times for illegal dueling. What a life! And finally, Victor Hugo, the author of Les Miserables and The Hunchback of Notre Dame. He was a celebrated writer, but he also had a very active personal life. He was a frequent visitor to Paris's many brothels. He was so well known and apparently well liked by the city's prostitutes that when he passed away, the brothels of Paris reportedly closed for the day. Why? The women took the day off to mourn his death. That's a level of popularity you just can't make up. So, the next time someone says history is dull, just remember these stories. The past is wilder than you could ever imagine. If you enjoyed these unbelievable tales, hit that like button and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.